What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on XRP, your daily update. Going to do a full update here. I mean, the price is practically still at the same level as it was yesterday. And to my knowledge, we haven't seen any news yet either. I mean, at this point of time, what you see, and I would love to, oh, that's maps. I would love to talk about Ripple news, right? But what you can see is that the news you have right now is very conflicting. So what I always think then is that the markets, the crypto markets right now with the volume we have right now are quite efficient. So if there's news that is to be trusted, usually the market already knows it or it's already priced into the market. So for now, I don't think that there is any news. I mean, there's multiple things going on, right? And there's certain things that you do see that are happening. Or at least the rumor mill is spinning over ours. But what you can see in the markets is that the market is very much awaiting some sort of an outcome from the settlement between Ripple and the SEC. Excuse me, that's the clock in the background. That's going to continue for some time. But no, you can also see in the open interest right here that the open interest is still very, very flat. The prime. All right, excuse me, the sound went out. I'm not sure where it stopped, but I'll check it out. But the thing is that momentum right now is going up and down. There's no real momentum in one way or another, kind of to repeat that. And what I think is more interesting right now to look at, and we also in the videos called this, because what we saw is that since last week, Thursday or Friday, purely technically, we very much lost the trend, all right? Whereas first we still had that trend and we still had that momentum. We were gaining momentum at every touch right here from the trend band. Right now we're just consolidating, all right? And you could even, and that's what I meant with that we can see some sort of a volatility expansion. Right now it's very, very tight, all right? And we're getting tighter, especially when you look at the short-term range right here. We're basically doing something like this, right? So we're consolidating in a very tight range between 62 cents, I would say, and this level right here between 58 cents. So I think those are the main levels to watch right now, technically, to look for some sort of volatility expansion or some sort of a breakout, all right? Whatever you want to call it, it's the same thing. It's basically just more volatility than what we see right now, because right now there's no volatility. Now, obviously, when news comes, that will greatly impact the markets. So that is something I do very much think you need to keep an eye on, but that's something I cannot predict, all right? What I've told you is that I expect the news to be bullish based on the expectation of the market, and the market is usually right. And based on, in general, what I think fundamentally the settlement means, whatever the terms are, what it means, I think the initial reaction will be bullish, but whether it will be sustainably bullish, I'm not sure. All right, initial reaction I expect to be bullish, but then I do expect a sell-off as well due to everyone that's positioned there. And then the market will determine whether it's long-term bullish and we are undervalued, or long-term doesn't matter and we're accurately valued. Then we'll just consolidate. But either way, with news or without news, I would still say wait for some sort of a breakout out of this range, all right? Because if we break out of that range, something has happened which matters, all right? So you don't even have to follow the news, you just have to follow the chart. Wait for a breakout. For now, I still think due to my expectation of getting news relatively soon, I would say the bullish breakout is more likely, but I'm personally not taking any bets on that, all right? So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.